Here we go. We're having yogurt today for the first time. Oh, mommy drops some. You ready? What do you think? What do you think? It's pretty bitey. What do you think? Is it okay? It's a bit bitey. What do you think? Ooh. No, you don't like it. Okay, we don't have to have any more. Say bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.